When a panel is dented or damaged, the metal is almost always stretched. When you try to fix it, you'll end up with too much metal for the area, like this oil can. Here we have too much metal for this round area, and it pops in and out, or oil cans. And that's where the term oil canning comes from, stretched or damaged metal popping in and out. Today I'm going to show you how and why one method works every time so you can fix any panel no matter how damaged. The idea is to put this extra metal somewhere, something like this. See, the metal's tight now. We have a little ding to fix, but the metal is tight. Now, some might think you can just put a ding in it, but that'll just cave it in. So you have two choices. Cave it in, use a bunch of filler, or pop it out and have a major high spot. So what we can do with a torch is raise it up, and we're going to get it, it's going to expand because heat expands metal, and it won't pop in. Then we're going to tap it right there in that middle area where it's soft, and stuff that extra metal in there. And then cool it, so it'll be up here, then we'll cool it, and then we have a tight area of metal. The extra metal went right in there. Again, metal expands with heat, so we'll bring it way up with the torch so it doesn't just cave in when we tap on it with the body hammer. We'll soften up this middle area right here and stuff that extra metal down in there, and it will tighten up that area of metal so that you don't have any more oil canning or metal that pops in and out. This area was damaged and caved in. We pulled it, got it close, but it popped in and out, and we used that method right here. And now it's solid as a rock. For the rest of the video, I'll show you a lot of examples so you have the confidence to try it. So in order to cure oil canning, I'm going to show you a process that I've learned that works for me. All you do is you take a torch, and right here's where it oil cans. This is the high spot. So I go around in circles. And it's coming way out. I get a little red spot right there. I whack it right in the middle with a body hammer. And that's it. No more oil canning. So again, well, maybe a little bit right there. So we're going to do it again right here. Right here. There. Now there's no more oil canning. I think it's right there. And if it does it again after I cool it off, then I'll have to move. But I'm thinking right there. So we'll turn down the gas a little bit. And that's good enough for me. That's firm. Although, maybe right in here. Right in here. So we'll do it again. Just lightly this time. I don't think I'm going to go too crazy. And I do have a hole in the backside in which I can blow air down through there to make sure there's not a fire on the inside. And now I'll just blow air down inside the panel. Make sure there's no fire inside there. And that is very good. That's solid as a rock. That's even better than the other side, which has no dent in it. That's how it is brand new. It pops in and out. But this side does not pop in and out. A lot of times after working a dent, you'll notice that you might have an area that pops in and out. The way to fix that is to take a torch and right at the high point, right where it pops in and out, just heat that spot up in about a dime. This is a small area, so we're just going to do a little spot, tap it right in the middle of that spot, and let it cool. So we got it almost red hot, and we're just going to tap it right there. And the air just helps it to cool off. It's not really. And once this cools off, that should have fixed the problem. And there we go. No more oil canning. Many times you'll find that after fixing a large area like this, you have spots that pop in and out, and that's called oil canning. And it's from severe stretching of the metal. One thing you can do is use a torch and heat up the area, smack it right in the middle, and cool it off. And that's what these little spots are right here. I had some oil canning. And now it springs, but it doesn't pop in and out. like this. So what we can do is take a torch, and we're just going to find the very center of that. We don't want it popping. This is good. This is good. Look at that. That's good. That's all good. It doesn't pop. But this, we don't want that. So what you can do, again, take the torch, find that spot, and we're just going to heat it up right there, right in the center of that oil. And you want to get a little red dot, almost red dot. And then we can hit it with the hammer right in the middle of that guy. And then we can cool it off using water or air. And you can see it shrink right back down. When it cools and you've ground the area clean, you will be left with a small ding, but no more oil canning. That's a small price to pay for getting rid of a frustrating problem. And we did run into a little bit of oil canning, so we're going to fix that real quick. Heat it up. Get a nice spot right in the middle. At this point, we can grind the area clean with a nice sharp 40 grit fiber resin disc on low speed. Now we can fill this without worrying about it popping in and out while sanding. And what's left is just the normal flex of the roof. After removing the old paint and primer, we found lots of old filler and areas that oil canned all across the back. To fix it, we used this method on each spot until the roof was solid and all the high spots were gone. Now we can fill and sand with no issues. If you can fix oil canning every single time, it's a real game changer. There's nothing you can't fix. I hope this video helps you eliminate one of the most frustrating problems in auto body repair. If it did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.